Assalamu alaikum dear students, and today we will continue with our root for 11th class students. And today we are going to discuss the regions of the root tip and the modifications of the root. Now, at the apex, the root is covered by a thimble-like structure which is called as the root cap. And this root cap is meant for protective purposes. It protects the tender apex of the root, as the root has to make its way through the soil. Next is the region of the meristematic activity, located a few millimeters above the root cap. The meristematic zone comprises of the cells which are thin-walled with dense protoplasm and are meant for repeated divisions. That means they divide repeatedly. The cells proximal to this region undergo rapid elongation and enlargement and contribute to the root growth in length. This region is called the region of elongation. Here, the cells differentiate and mature. Here the zone proximal to elongation region is the region of maturation. Some epidermal cells in the maturation zone give rise to fine and delicate thread-like structures called as root hairs. The root hairs absorb water and mineral salts from the soil. The main function for the root, in fact the whole plant is carried by the root hairs, that is the absorption of mineral salts and water from the soil. The modifications of the root. Some plants change root shape to perform functions other than absorption and conduction of water and minerals. Roots are modified for support, storage of food, and respiration, etc. For example, tap roots of carrot and turnip or sweet potato get swole and store food. Likewise, the prop roots which are hanging to support banyan tree, in fact these hanging supporting roots of the banyan tree are called as the prop roots. You must have seen maize and sugarcane have supporting roots which come out of the lower nodes of the stem, and these are called as the stilt roots. In a rhizophora growing in swampy areas, this rhizophora plant grows in the swampy areas, many roots come out of the ground and grow vertically upwards, called the nematophores. These nematophores perform the function to get oxygen for respiration. And thanks. Have a nice day.